Hi guys, this is part 2 of our Van Gogh lesson that I told you to put aside yesterday, and we're going to work on it today. So this is our Van Gogh portrait. Here's mine all dried. I know that's kind of hard to see, but there's my glue all dried. And so today we're going to work with the word called variety. Variety is one of those principles of design that tells you that there are different choices in colors, and when you use a variety, you could use a variety of blocks to build something. You could use a variety of candies for an Easter basket. But in the world of art, a variety means that you're using several, pretty much of one kind of thing, and usually that means a variety of textures or colors. And when we use a variety, it helps make our artwork look three-dimensional. So we're going to use a variety of colors today. If you have oil pastels, that would work the best, or chalk, that would work well today. I'm going to use my trusty old oil pastels. If you have crayons, it could work too. Colored pencils, I guess, could work. Markers could work. Depends if you have the markers that work with black paper. I'm not sure our regular school markers will just color on it. Well, you have to have that construction paper. But we're going to do with our variety today, we're going to use colors like here in the example. We're going to use starry night kind of colors. So that'd be kind of purples and blues and yellows in a variety. So I've checked in my oil pastel bucket and I came up with a variety of purples. I know that is really hard to see on the camera, but you can dig in there and see varieties, different colors of the same family of variety. We also call that monochromatic when you find a variety of one color family. Here's a variety of greens right off the top, and that's also called monochromatic when you have one color, different shades. You could find a variety of yellows. Let's see, I've got two different kinds. Those are hard to see, but you can see the yellows. A variety of blues. I need a white. So it's really easy and all in what you want to do. Maybe a little black as well. My dogs are going crazy in the background here. Dog, stop. So I'm going to start to color. Remember, if you use a little black on one side, they call that shading. Give it value, make it look like it's standing out and look 3D. So I am just going to color my tree on one half kind of black. And then the other half, I'm going to give it a variety, a variety of purples. And I'm going to color my tree really kind of cool in with a variety of colors. That's really good. That's looking pretty good. Trees already. And then remember, with oil pastels or chalk, you can kind of blend with your finger to really make it blend in. That's kind of cool. The next thing I am going to do is I'm just going to kind of follow. Don't mind Snickers there in the background, letting you know she is out there. Variety. I'm just using a variety of colors. White will really make it look like that wind is blowing, and I am just covering, kind of going along the glue lines that I did yesterday. And then I could do a variety of blues, kind of just going along with the lines. I'm not really coloring it in. I'm just creating that line kind of design we did yesterday. So I'm not coloring like it's a color book. I'm just kind of going along with a variety of colors to give the feel that it is blowing, that movement that we talked about yesterday, that movement, right? And then I could use a variety of yellows to create let's see if I can find another yellow in my bucket. See if I can find another yellow. I'm not having much luck finding another yellow. There's a different one. I'll try this one. Ooh, that one's got a little orange tone to it. Yeah, I color that one in. And I could add some white to give the feel. All right, a variety of lines. Let's see if I can find a different blue. I found this gray. That could go good. All right. And I could do this star and give it some lines. It's looking pretty good. Looks like a lot of movement already just by using the lines as opposed to really coloring it in. You really get the feeling that it has movement, one of those elements, movement, the way something feels like it's moving in the picture. Or again, the other way was making the artist move around your paper, right? That is what movement means in art. I could do some green down here with lines, right? So I'm really not going to waste your whole time doing it. I put an example up there on the Google sites, but here is my Van Gogh Starry Night start. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. When you get it done, send it to Miss Hawes. Text it to me, email it to me, put it on Seesaw, put it on Showbie, put it on Google Classroom. I can't wait to see how your Van Gogh comes out. Are you ready? Set, go have fun.